You don't want to cook these al dente. You want to cook these down because that gives them the waxy texture that is the signature of this bean. All right, folks, Dan the Produce Man here. Hey, it's September, and as I told you about these prune plums, something else I want to talk to you about. Now, these are Italian Romano beans. You see how thin these are, and flat and wide. Absolutely delicious. Italian Romano beans. Now, they have their roots in ancient Europe, and they were domesticated into the New World and brought to Europe by the Spanish and Portuguese explorers in the 15th and 16th centuries. Yes, that doesn't matter, but they were developed in Italy from an older variety and then brought here to the United States, obviously, with Italian immigrants. And they grow all over California and probably other parts of the States. There's also yellow ones and purple ones too, but I haven't seen those in quite a few years. Now, as you can see, these are locally grown outdoors by local farmers. And then the longer, straight, without any crookedness to them, longer, straighter ones are grown in Mexico, and those are pretty much available throughout the winter and early spring until California starts up again in the summertime. You don't want to cook these al dente like you would a regular string bean. You want to cook these down because that gives them the waxy texture that is the signature of this bean. Now, you can see I cook some down with some heirloom tomatoes and olive oil and just a few fresh herbs. These are absolutely delicious. I'm going to have this tonight. Oh my goodness, absolutely delicious. If you find Italian Romano beans in your stores, specialty produce stores, or in the farmer's market, get them. Give them a shot. Give them a try. There's recipes all over the internet for these, but remember, you have to cook them longer than your average string bean to get that good waxy texture. Oh, baby, yeah. All right, folks, this is Dan the Produce Man reminding you that it's always best when you get it fresh.